Today I'm gonna be turning this into this. I got this toolbox as a birthday present from my uncle when I was 10 years old. It's one of the best gifts I've ever gotten and I've been using it so many times. But honestly, the design could use some improvements. Let's put this tool inlay to the side for now. I have an idea what I want to do with it, but first I'm gonna deal with this metal casing. If I thought it was gonna be easy to peel this sticker off, I was mistaken. Time to bring in the big guns. With the sticker finally removed, it's time to start sanding. I've been really liking the look of aluminum and chrome lately, so I think this box will look really cool if I just sand off all the ugly green paint. And yes, my desk definitely turned green after this sanding, but yeah, I think it was worth it. I'm guessing you're pretty done with watching this now, so let's speed it up. After the sanding was done, it was time to start working on the inside of the box. Here I'm creating 3D models of all the tools in Fusion 360. I will then use these 3D models to carve out the holes in the actual tool inlay for the box. Having the 3D models of the tools was also nice so that I could kind of play around with the placement of the tools until I found one that I was happy with. Time for the fun part. Let's start filling this bad boy up. Since I added tools in 2 layers here, I added this little lifting mechanism to be able to reach the tool on the bottom. I'm so happy with this build. I think the visual difference is amazing and the increased storage is even better. Yeah, let me know what you think. And also, do you think I should polish the metal casing? Initially my thought was to do it, but I kinda like the roughness of the look right now, so yeah, let me know what you think. Alright, that's it for this build. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.